Hey guys, it's Perry here, and today I'm back with another unboxing video for a really great product. It's going to be the Smart Egg whiskey glass set, and there's 4 glasses in the set. This is brought to you by Run Deals, and if you didn't already know this, Run Deals has a really great app, and if you download it, you can get access to offers on products, a lot like the one that we're gonna open up right now. So let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. Beautiful box. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like snakeskin. Magnetic flip top. And then they're covered up, so quality. So far, that's what this product screams to me. You guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. Designed for whiskey and things like old fashioned, so nice dark liquor. But you can obviously drink anything out of them. Look at the detail. So beautiful all the way around on every single glass, and it is so thick and sturdy. Guys, this is really awesome. I actually am a whiskey drinker, so I cannot wait to use these. Yeah, make sure and go get yours from